Okay, as you are getting ready to build out your Zobot, one thing that I want to mention is that you don't want to create a bot which combines both the codeless Zobot and the answer bot. And the reason for this is because these two are associated with specific departments, and if you combine them, the bot will not work properly, and that may not make a lot of sense at the moment, but I'll explain why that is the case as we go along this video course. And the important thing, although, for you to keep in mind right now is that you want to separate these two into two different chat bots. And when I say that, what I mean is you don't want a single chat widget which is associated with both Zobot as well as an answer bot. You want them to be separate, and you can do that by keeping them as separate departments, which I will show in the next set of videos.